video ng Beanie sa kanilang kantang Zero. Hello po, this is Ray. Welcome to TV Patrol.
Ate Kuya.
Ano muna sa trending YouTube videos for music, ang performance video ng Beanie sa kanilang kantang Zero Pressure.
Hindi din kailangan sobrang video.
Hello po. Ray po. Ang performance video ng Beanie sa kanilang kantang Zero Pressure.
Nandito si Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 second big placer, Rain Salmar. Rain!
Hello!
Hello! It's raining rain!
Dito ka sa gitna.
Hello po!
Welcome to TV Patrol.
Thank you so much.
Expect naman ng batang ito. So yun,
Congratulations
Yes, thank you po.
sa second big placer.
na ano mo na siya, na-imbibe mo na yung energy outside after BDB.
I mean, it's always adjustment talaga kasi parang lumabas ako biglang wow, parang
May mga tao
Oo.
pa. Parang ka nag-quarantine.
Oo, talaga.
And then, welcome back to the real world.
Thank you.
So yun, Rain, kasama ka sa I1 series na Love at First Spike ha. So kumusta yung acting experience mo? Is that something new to you?
The acting experience was my first series po talaga, this one. And I'm excited po kasi it was fun po sa set and I know the series is gonna be fun as well. Kaya watch out you guys, watch out nyo.
Are you a volleyball player?
I used to play in school before, pero I was bata pa. So, but there, you're gonna watch me play na naman. So,
Like totoo, no
May mga
double.
attacks.
I'm a setter there.
Bagay for the height.
Yes,
Bagay for the
definitely.
height. Alam ko na hindi pa tapos ang iyong role dito sa TV Patrol Express dahil ikaw ang maghahatid ng ating maiinit na entertainment news ngayong hapon. Go ahead.
Alright. Ang latest na showbiz sa ating Star Patrol Express. Nangunguna sa trending YouTube videos for music, ang performance video ng Beanie sa kanilang kantang Zero Pressure. Mahigit 1 million views na ngayon ang video. Nag-organisa ng isang viewing party si award-winning Pinay actress Dolly De Leon para sa kanyang latest Hollywood project na 9 Perfect Strangers. At yan ang ating Star Patrol Express sa araw na ito.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Perfect.
So much, thank you so much.
Na-pressure ka ba?
Slight lang, but wala nang zero pressure.
Zero pressure. Bakit sabi nga ng Beanie, zero pressure?
Yes.